Right now, there is a type of video that is especially easy to go viral on TikTok: mini rescue AI videos. These videos usually have a tiny, miniature-style visual, but the story is very engaging. For example, tiny people trapped in a flood, animals waiting to be rescued, vehicles stuck in mud, or emergency rescue scenes in a miniature world. The audience can understand what's happening at a glance, and it naturally makes them want to keep watching. Recently, I found an account that focuses specifically on this niche. It has already gained over 100,000 followers, and many of its videos have incredibly high views, some reaching millions or even tens of millions. So in today's video, I'm going to break down exactly how these mini rescue videos are made. First, let me show you the result I created using this workflow in just a few minutes.
Hooray! We are saved!
Hooray! Yeah! All right!
Hooray!
We are saved! Yes, we are free!
All right, let's get started. First, open ChatGPT. Go to the Explore GPT section and search for Mini Rescue Generator. After entering the GPT, click Start the Generator. It will automatically generate 10 different mini rescue scenes for you. You can choose one of the numbers directly or type in your own idea. If you feel that these 10 ideas are not enough, you can also type more, and it will continue giving you more creative options. Here, I'm choosing scene number 1. Once selected, the GPT will automatically generate 2 pieces of content. One is the prompt for generating the image, and the other is the prompt for generating the video. First, copy the image prompt. Then open Google Flow and go to the image generation page. In the model selection, choose Nano Banana 2, then paste the image prompt you just copied into the prompt box. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16. You can choose the number of images based on your needs. Once everything is set, click Generate. After waiting a moment, you'll be able to see the generated mini rescue scenes. Next, pick the image you like the most from the generated results. Click the 3 dots in the top right corner of the image and directly convert that image into a video. Then, go back to the GPT and copy the video prompt that was generated earlier. Paste the video prompt into the video generation box. Choose the video model VO 3.1 Fast. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16 and set the duration to 8 seconds. Click Generate, and that's how you can get a complete mini rescue AI video.
Hooray! The water is flowing! We finally did it!
You can change the rescue subject, such as using a puppy, a kitten, miniature firefighters, or a trapped vehicle. You can also change the setting, like a flood, snowstorm, landslide, or ruins. As long as you make the scene feel more story-driven and add more detail to the visuals, the video will be much more likely to hold people's attention. That's the complete workflow for making mini rescue AI videos. All the tools and prompt links I used will be in the video description. If you want to learn more viral AI video ideas, make sure to like, save, and subscribe. In the next video, I'll continue sharing more AI niche content ideas.